Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is June 8th, 2024. I want to show you a routine I do. You can improvise this routine and you do different exercises, but you can use the principle. Okay, the routine I'm about to show you is for the upper body. Okay, sometimes I don't have time to do a full workout, so this is why I do one set of this. It builds muscular endurance. It builds strength. It builds cardiovascular endurance. It builds mental toughness. It makes you mentally tough. But most of all, it hits a lot of your muscle fibers and it recruits a ton of motor units, which are essential for neuromuscular efficiency. And as you get older, we lose these motor units. And this is one of the exercises I do to slow down the loss of these motor units. This exercise basically hits your whole upper body, So let me explain what the exercise is, okay? I do pull-ups and push-ups. I alternate. However, this is how I do it. I'm going to start with 10 pull-ups, jump down to 15 push-ups, jump back up to 9 pull-ups, jump back down to 14 push-ups, jump back up, do 8 pull-ups, jump back down 13 push-ups. I alternate and I taper down by 1. It will be more than 100 push-ups at the end and more than 50 pull-ups. And I mean, it's non-stop, no rest between sets, nothing. I mean, it burns, baby. Let's get going. Let me show you the routine. No rest. Burns, baby. Man, let me tell you something. This burns. Oh. It burns, but it gets your whole upper body. Ah, ah. Thanks. Boy, it builds mental toughness because there's no stopping. Ah. Burns, this is a workout. Ah. Ah. Bro. No joke. 60 going on 30, baby. Excellent for strength. More than unit recruitment. You saw the routine I just did. It felt like I did a 5K and a weight routine at the same time. The feeling, I can't explain the feeling. It's the non-stop action that recruits the muscle. It even recruits the fast twitch muscle fibers, because when you can't go no more and you're straining, even though you're going slow, your mind is the perception of moving faster that hits the fast twitch fibers also. It hits the slow twitch fibers, it hits the fast twitch fibers, it hits the slow motor neurons, the fast motor neurons. It hits every muscle in your upper body. Cardiovascular endurance, it burns calories, it burns fat. This is one of the reasons why I stay ripped. And it also builds muscle at the same time. I hope this exercise may help you in some way, may help you tweak your routine. in a different way. You don't have to do exactly what I did, but I suggest you incorporate one. You have to shock the muscles. There's a principle in bodybuilding where you shock the muscle. Never do the same thing over and over, because your body stops growing, your body stops advancing. You need to shock the muscle, shock the neuromuscular system, and that's how you maintain youthful muscles. Have a great day. Your body will thank you when you're 70, 80. This routine I just did, 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds have no problem doing it. The 50-year-olds, 60-year-olds, a little more harder, so you're going to have to improvise. Have a great day. I hope this information helps you some way. See you in my next video.